Hey guys, this is going to be a walk around of a Caterpillar 420E rubber tire backhoe. Just going to start with the back here. It's got a 5-tooth bucket. It got wear guards right here. There's your cylinder to curl the bucket. To take the bucket off, you just slide these pins out right here, and the bucket would come off. There's your cylinder, there's some hydraulics. That would be auxiliary hydraulic, I think, right up there. There's your cat decal. There's warning logos, decals. There's your cylinder to put the boom down, and that would make this come down. And then that one. No. Sorry guys. That one would make it come left to right, and that one would make it go down. Okay? Sorry guys. But anyways, here's your cylinder to lower the thing here. Here's your tires. There's your cab thing. And there's your cab. There's your fuel intake right there. And this here, right here, would be to lift the the bucket, the boom. And here's a red thing that Western Star 4900 SA had in his the other day, and I don't know what it is. And here's your tires, your decal. There's your cylinder to raise and curl the bucket or attachment, whatever it has on it. And then there's your, it has forks on it right now. This one does. And it has a quick coupler, which is just like my 924, sorry. It would unhook right there and then pop out down the bottom. This one, unlike the model, is all metal. Over to this side, it's got your tires again. It's a 420E IT. There's some lines going into your cylinders. There's your cab again. There's your tires. And there's more of the, there's the other cylinder to lower down the pad thing. And that's pretty much it, guys, for the 420E backhoe.